have arrived in Manila and I am here at Hop Inn in Asiana. So this is the room. This is good for 2 people. I am on the 10th floor. My room is 1001. So here's the bed. You got the TV. There's a full-length mirror here. Then you have your desk. Hangers. Wala silang cabinet. They have air conditioning unit. Towels. And that's my bag over there. This is their CR. I got this room for 2,002 pesos a night. That's with tax already and other fees in Agoda. So I booked this for 2 nights. So that's 4,004 and something cents. So yeah, here we are. Meron lang, I think this is shower gel, I guess. They have toilet paper, also hair dryer, toilet and sink, shower. So walang toiletries dito. And yeah, ano lang tayo, basic thing. Meron akong dala. So yun, let's eat dinner. I'm so stressed already. I look so stressed. But I got burgers and fries from Wendy's. Let's gonna eat dinner. Ganyan ang kanyang interiors. We got fresh spring rolls. This is vermicelli with lettuce and carrots. Wrapped in rice paper. Tapos may peanut sauce. Here's their pad thai. Let's eat. That's how big it is. Let's eat, let's eat.
Wow, coming from me.
And this is their mango sticky rice. Ang laki ng serving nila. Good for siguro.
Balik tayo ng Hop Inn. Pahinga muna tayo. Let's go.
I don't know how I would actually finish all this, pero kakayanin natin yan mga sir. This is just across. This is just near Hop Inn, so I checked it out. This is the Parkal building in Asiana City. So, ganyan siya. There's EV Salon. May caramelo. Ang ganda ito. Let's hop in. I'm going back to the hotel now. Ang daming runners dito sa Parkal. We have our own pace. Kilometers na tayo and we're almost done. Punta tayo Ayala to pick up some fruits and balik na ng hop in and then we're done with our run. Okay, night run dito. Kapoy. Pero no gain, no pain, no gain. So here we are at the pain moment. Anong gain nito? Ewan ko. Pride na nakakatakbo pa rin ako ng 5 kilometers to 10 kilometers at my age. Yun na siguro ang pride doon.